Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the Mummy Finger. Today's recipe is a moist and soft chocolate banana cake. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. First, let's take the dry ingredients in a bowl. In a bowl, add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, always sift to avoid lumps. Add 3/4 cup of cocoa, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, mix the dry ingredients together. ½ teaspoon of salt, add 1 3/4 cups of sugar and mix well. In a mixer, add 2 eggs, beat them well. Add 3 bananas, mash them till there are no lumps. Add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, 1 cup of hot water, ½ cup of milk, ½ cup of oil or butter and mix well. Add the dry ingredients little by little, beating them in between. The cake batter should be a watery consistency. Pour the cake batter to 2 24 cm greased pans. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Check if the cakes are properly baked by inserting a toothpick or a knife. For the chocolate buttercream frosting, in a mixer, add 1 cup of unsalted butter, beat well till it's soft. Add 2½ cups of powdered sugar, one teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, ½ cup of cocoa powder, and beat well. Assembling the cake. Place one cake layer. Apply a layer of chocolate buttercream frosting. Spread it uniformly. Place the second layer on top of the frosting. Apply frosting on the sides and the top. Decorate the cake with any desired design. Yummy chocolate banana cake with chocolate buttercream frosting is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.